Hello and welcome. Good to have you with us. We have started a new series of pioneer figures in Indian modern history who brought a drastic changes in our society. One of them is C.S. Bharti, which is known as the Bhartiyar or Bharti. He is well known as a Tamil poet in the history of Tamil literature. Now we start with first question. Which option is incorrect regarding the life of Subramaniam Bharti? Before marking your answer, please read the question carefully. And your option is A. He belongs to Tamil Nadu, spent several years in a Varanasi learning Sanskrit, Hindi, English. C. During Surat session of Congress in 1907, he sided with B.G. Tilak and other extremists. And D. None of the above. Which one is incorrect? So, option D is correct. All the above is correct. Now moving to second question. Which newspaper, journal, book was not edited by him? Option A India, B Vijay, C Swadesh Mitran, and D Hindu Raj Darshan. And your answer is D Hindu Raj Darshan, which was not edited by Subramaniam Bharti. Instead, it was edited and written by B.D. Savarkar. Now moving to third question. The title Mahakavi is given to option A Premchand, C.S. Bharti, Nirala, Pant, and option B is correct, C.S. Bharti. And now moving to fourth question. Which newspaper journals of Bhartiyar were banned by British government in 1909? Option A India and Vijay, B Vijaya and Suryodham, C Swadesh Mitran and Bala Bhartam, and D Suryodham and India. And your answer is A India and Vijay was banned by Britishers in 1909. Now moving to fifth question. Mark the incorrect option. Be careful before marking your answer. Option A Bhartiyar was a Tamil writer, poet, journalist, Indian independence activist, social reformer, and polyglot. He was under the influence of several nationalist leaders like Aurobindo, Lala Lajpat Rai, Gandhi, etc. Third one is translated several speeches of Aurobindo and Vivekanand. And last one is he was never arrested during his entire life. And right option is answer D. He was never arrested during his entire life. It is incorrect because he was arrested in 1920. Now moving to sixth question. Which option is correct? He is considered the foremost poet in Tamil history. He never edited the Hindu and the Chakravarti. Option A only one, option B both, C only second, and D none of the above. And your answer is A only first. He also edited the Hindu and Chakravarti for few years. And now moving to seventh question. Who won the debate at the age of 11 in the court of Tayapuram Raja? And your option is A Bhartiyar, B C Pillai, and option C is Periyar, and third is Aryabhatta. And option A is right. Bhartiyar who won the debate at age of 11 in the Tayapuram Raja. Now moving to last question. Who held the title Subbaya, Sakti Dasan, Mahakavi, Mundasu, Kabignar, Veera Kavi, Seli Dasan? Your option is A, B, C, D. And the correct option is option B, Bharti. So we have completed our first pioneer elements of modern history. And please support us following our videos and subscribe our initiative.